In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Hacoo links. So the first thing you want to do over here, you can do this on either your computer or your mobile device. However, if you're using a phone, it will be a bit easier because you can open the links directly inside your app. Now, what you should do is just simply go to Google or the browser of your choice and type in Hacoo links. Now, as you can see, there will be a bunch of different places over here, different Instagram groups, Instagram accounts, as well as different Facebook groups. And inside those groups, people are posting their links. So what I recommend is actually review all these groups over here. So for example, this first one, you can just go to Facebook over here to Meta. There we go. You can see if that looks like a legit group over here. As you can see, it has 83,000 members. Now, I don't know if that's good or bad. I haven't ever used this, but you can see different people are looking for different stuff and they are sharing links between each other. Now, once you basically find a link, make sure it's actually a legit link. So make sure it's not like some scam or something like that. And then if it's basically a link that takes you to your app, to your Hacoo app, and you can actually order from the app, from that link, then congratulations, you have found a working link. And then, of course, you can buy that from Hacoo and get yourself something. Now, if you want something specific you can find in here, you can just basically ask here in the discussion tab in case anybody has a link. And in case anybody has, they will share it with you, and then you can just basically get that item from Hacoo. So that's the best way of doing this. Of course, you can join a different group if you want to. You can go to Instagram, you can open these link trees over here, etc., or telegrams even, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.